Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to uninstall games from the Epic Games Launcher. So here we are, open up your Epic Games Launcher, make sure that you are logged into your account, and then once you've logged in, I want you to go to your library. Now under your library, by default, for some reason, it unchecks the installed filter over here. Make sure the installed filter is checked. Yours may be, it may not. But make sure you only have games showing that are installed, and then search for them or view them in the list format. It just makes it easier. You can do it either way. And then once you see your list of installed games, find the one that you want to uninstall, and then click on the three horizontal dots located next to or on the game icon or name here. And then what you want to do is just click on uninstall. And it will begin the process to uninstall that game. It'll tell you how large or how, what the size of the game is. And then it'll, basically once you hit uninstall, it'll say, are you sure? And then click the blue button that says uninstall. Now, if you want to do this manually, depending on where you've installed your games or have it set up to install your games, it's very easy. Go to the game that you want to install, click on the three dots here once again, go to manage. And then once here where you see installation, click on the little folder icon that will open the install location. This will open up the exact folder where all of the files are for that specific game. So what you would do here is you would just click and hold, drag, select all of those files, and then right-click, and then just click the little trash icon or go to move to trash, and then you would just delete it from the recycling bin on your PC, just like normal with any other files that you may be trying to get rid of. So that's how you delete or uninstall games from your Epic Games Launcher, both from the launcher as well as manually from the folder itself. If you have any further questions, please put those in the comment section down below. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.